Hello and welcome to my channel Making Crafts. Today I'm here with my 13-year-old son Bryson, and he wants to show you, and I'm going to also be here to show you, a junk journal that he received yesterday for Christmas. And a friend of mine created this, and along with her daughter. Her and her daughter created this journal for him, and he loves gaming, everything gaming, and so they know him very well. That he's been friends with her daughter just about his whole life, so she knows him very well, and you can see it in this journal. And so what they've done is created him a journal all about the games that he loves. So it's very, very chunky. It's a huge journal. It has a really soft plush cover, which is awesome, and you can see the game controllers on it, and it says gamer. And so her daughter made this little charm for him. She does these little, what are these called, Bryson?
They're called like pom-pom balls, and then she trims them.
So it's a little pom-pom ball that she has trimmed into the shape of a little cupcake, and you see his little teeth and eyes and his little candle. And that comes from a game that Bryson likes to play. And then on the front, there's all kinds of little charms of game controllers. And then on the side, there is one of the games he plays has to do with the sea, and so there's a little skull and a little octopus. And so then it has this band on it to keep it shut. So you can go ahead and open it up.
The reason this band's here is because if you don't leave the band, this is what happens.
Yeah, it's very chunky, so the band helps keep it where you can see, keep it closed. It's a lot in this journal. So we'll try to go through it as quickly as possible. We thought that it would be it's got a lot of inspiration in it, especially if you were making a journal for a young guy, because it's very hard sometimes to make a journal for a guy. I've never done it. I've made them for girls, but never for guys. And so this is perfect, though. This is perfect.
Okay.
So sorry about that. We got a phone call and I had to stop for just a second. So what I was saying was that this one is perfect for a young guy. So maybe this will give you some ideas if you're wanting to make a journal for your son or grandson, or for a young boy. And so I thought I would, me and Bryson would show it to you today. And so we'll just get started. So, and I kind of can make an explanation of some of it. So this is like a game that he has. It's got like a treasure map. It's a undersea game. And so she's also purchased some stickers and things that match the games that he plays. And so she's added those in here. And then you can see, I'm sure a lot of people are familiar with this. This is the Mario, and she's made a belly band. Okay. And so here's some little papers that she puts in here. And so you can see here she's added some stickers that she's found. And this is Minecraft. And I'm sure a lot of you, if you have any sons or grandsons, you've heard of, or daughters, you've heard of Minecraft. And so here's another pocket with some journaling paper, and then another little sticker. And so that, I love the idea that she had, that just to get some stickers that have the theme that the child likes. So, and then this way they have a little journal to work in. He says that he's not gonna use it, he's afraid he'll mess it up, but I told him that's what journals are for, is for using. For right now though, he's gonna take a good look at it. So this is a page from Minecraft, and I think I may have to explain all of these. He may have to tell you some of these, but I think he wants me to do a lot of it. So here is a pocket with a little vellum pocket, and it has stickers and cards and journaling in it. And then we have another little paper with, what is that?
That's what we call a Rickroll.
Oh, Rickroll, okay.
It's QR code.
Okay, it's a QR code. I had no idea. Some of this I'll have to ask him, I don't know. And then it's a little coloring page, and then you have your Minecraft, and it says Fortnite Battle Royale. And this is really cool. She found these little things. It's supposed to go on shoes, and she's clipped off the back and glued them on here. And you'll see them throughout the book from different characters from the games that he likes. And so here's a charm for the sea game that he likes. It's kind of like a little pirate skeleton. And we got coloring pages, and then here is Minecraft and a journaling page. And so this page you would use a white gel pen. And so then here is from Five Nights at Freddy's, and that's another little charm that she's glued in. And his favorite color is red, so she's sure to add some red in here too. Sorry about that. And then there's another coloring page, and then some tags, and then this has to do with the game he plays, and then a little Minecraft. And so all of this just represents him all the way, and that's like your Pac-Man. I like the she used the
Pac-Man
yellow one
Ghost.
and Pac-Man Ghost, and then you got your little Minecraft, and then here's a pocket in the middle, and there's a pocket on each side. So I like that she's got a little pocket here as well as a pocket here. And then they've made little game controllers, and they've put confetti and glitter in here, and that's really cute. There's all kinds of little cute things in here. So this gives you an idea that when you're making a journal for a younger person, just come up with a theme that they really like, and then, you know, just find images, and that's what here in papers and things that go with it. And I'm assuming she's printed a lot of these, because I don't know that you could go to the store and actually buy papers like this. And so I love how she's incorporated it all with the stickers too. The stickers can bring in the actual brand that they like. And then there's a little charm. And then we have some more little, and these like a little rubbery feel charms. I love all the textures and things to it. And then we have a pocket with a lot of journaling cards. And then another little pocket like I think it's the other side of this little ghost. Okay, that's a small page, and in it is a pocket. There's so many pockets in here. And this sounds like a mailer.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Feel it. I think that's what that is. It's like
That seems like a little too big to be one.
like
though.
junk mail. Well, you get bigger ones sometimes. I don't know, though. You may be right. And then a pocket with some tags, and the tags have little charms on them. And then we have another pocket that looks like a game controller. I thought that was really cute. And then it's got all kinds of bits and pieces in it. So it's little journaling cards and things. And then a coloring page. It looks kind of like,
It's like a little tree house.
there we go. And we have this is like a paint chip that's been turned into a pocket. And some more of those little journaling, not journal, but little charm things.
And like a little, like, tag. Like a Pac-Man Ghost.
And this feels like tissue paper. I like that.
And some more, like, little, what are these called? I don't know.
Tags.
Tags.
Yeah, you'll have to learn all the junk journal.
Only if you learn the entire
vocabulary.
lore of, like, Finance Price.
Okay,
So, this will actually, learning junk journals will be quicker.
yeah, I think I'd rather stick with junk journals. So here we have more stickers, and then the gaming theme again. And then this has to do with the ocean one that he does. It's got the little fish, and that's just a little collage there.
Like a little
Another-
notes thing.
Journaling card or notes, that's right. And then we've got a little warning here like you see at the beginning of games, and then level up like you see on games. And then she's added little vocabulary cards throughout, and I think those are neat.
That's a lie.
That kind of matches. That kind of matches Bryson. And then we have a page with the little ghost on it again, and the game controller, and another pocket. There's so many things.
More
and I think
notes.
that's what, when you think about younger people, lots of pockets. I think they like the interactive part of it all. And then another little vocabulary, and it says, like you did your horse, abandon. And I think that has to do with the inside story between the two of them in a game he was playing. He abandoned his horse. And so then there's another paint chip, and just in the game, not in real life. He didn't have a horse. we don't have room for a horse at this house. And so here is another little pocket with another one of those little characters that he likes. And then here they made an old Game Boy looking controller and put it in the pocket. And you can use that as a journaling card or just as something interactive.
Oh, also more like pieces of this map. There's like pieces to it.
And it goes in a pocket. So map pieces. Those could be journaling cards now. And then we have a great journaling spot. And then here, show them what that does.
Little flap.
It flips out. It's just an envelopes that flip. We're off camera. It's an envelope that flips out.
There's like little like pockets there as well.
And then you can just fold it back up. I thought that was cute. And this is a very chunky. There's a lot here. But that may be like a CD case. I don't know. And
Makes
then
me
it's
think
got
of like
journaling paper in it.
There's like some card games that would have like red lines over text, and you'd have to have one of those to see it.
To read it, yeah. And look at this. This is neat because she gave him a bunch of stickers and things to use in here. And so she's added this little drawstring pocket, which he also loves these pockets. So
I love the feel of
she
them.
may have just included that because he loves those. And then here, a belly band. I think you've taken something out of here because there was something in here before.
Put like this here.
But he has taken some of the stickers and things that she put in it out and used them.
Half of a Pac-Man.
Yep. And then we got what's right here.
And this was like a, I think, didn't you make one of these where it's like a clip?
Yeah, it's a paper clip.
Yeah.
It's an embellished paper clip.
You have TNT on one side and then a Game Boy.
Mm-hmm. And you can use those as bookmarks on
Thing
your page.
is if I'm hard to put on, there we go.
Yep. And then it's collaged around it.
A
And
Joker.
Joker. He loves cards. He does all kinds of card tricks, so they included the cards. Go ahead, you want to turn it? Okay.
More of the map.
Mm-hmm.
And then it's like a screen.
So what this is, it looks to me but almost like a little, it's like a screen, like a TV screen.
Yeah.
And they put stars in here like a shaker card. And then we have a sticker that's a pocket, I think. No, it's attached here, and here's the pocket.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And the coloring page with skull, because of the
Skulls.
ocean theme game that he plays, has skulls in it.
Also just skulls.
You like
I
skulls too. And then there's a little skull. Another little pocket. And we have a little bitty, is this a pocket or just a page? It's just a page, isn't it?
And then
That's cool.
also Foxy, which is the best character from Five Nights at Freddy's.
That's one of his favorite characters.
And then, also
What's
this
this?
was on the back. It was originally like this.
So it says Lucky, and when he turns it over,
It's a
it's a
little-
jack.
It's a jack.
Okay. And then we got a little banana man here from Fortnite.
Then this little like a clip thing.
Mm-hmm. You think that's Minecraft?
Don't actually know. It has like that. Oh, it looks kind of like Among Us's art style.
Okay.
That's what makes me think. The other half of Pac-Man.
Mm-hmm. And this looks like it was burnt.
Yeah, I
I don't think I
don't know what
I
happened
don't think
here.
I don't think I should do that in my journals. I'm not good with fire. So here's some game notes, and then here's another little clipped-in paper, and it says Gamer.
And
Okay.
then a little mini Nintendo Switch. And one tiny detail she got right, which I love. It's on my Joy-Cons. I have like around the sticks. I have these little paws on them. I just love how she got those correct.
And that's one of the game systems he likes to play all the time, so she really matched that good for him. So we're going to try to speed up. And so then we just got more journaling pages.
a
And then
DS. With
a
Pac-Man.
DS with a little Pac-Man on it. It folds out. They got more journaling paper, another little charm, and paper. This is a very large journal, and look at that. That's beautiful paper.
Ooh.
I need to know where she got that. I like
haven't
that
actually
paper.
really noticed that one yet.
Mm-hmm. There's so much in here that he keeps flipping through it and finding something new every time. And so these you can journal on
Oh, I just
your
realized
page.
paper has like Switches, Vitas, and then like an Xbox 360 controller.
It has them all done.
And
No,
Game Boys.
it has a lot. Then there's CDs. Or game discs, not CDs. Game discs is what they're supposed to be.
there's CDs and then discs. And
Another little, that's
Seed.
kind of like butcher paper pocket.
Oh yeah, that is like butcher paper.
I like all the different textures and things she added to it, because for kids, that's what you want, is a lot of interaction and texture.
Mm-hmm. And then we have half of an Xbox controller.
Mm-hmm.
An intentionally blank page.
Mm-hmm. And then,
A little loot llama. It's like a pinata that's alive.
and so then you
It's-
got the little, and you can feel that it's like a little rubber feel, and it's got the sticker.
And then we have what looks like the Eye of Sauron from Lord of the Rings.
And that's cool.
It's a little. Actually, it's another card.
So it's a
The back of the card. So this-
card that's been decorated on one side and
So
then
it-
left to be a card on the other side. That's neat.
It'd be like an 8. It's the 8 of ghosts.
Oh, it's got 8 on there. Okay.
Then a little, like another paint chip, which is on the back.
That's cool.
It's clever. Little pocket.
And she's been redoing some rooms, so I wonder if these are the paint chips left over from where
That's
she was
probably-
picking out the paint for her new bathroom.
That's probably.
So yeah.
Then another card. This would be the, let's see. This would be the 10 of Pac-Man.
Okay.
And then I don't know what
That
this
looks
is,
like
but
washi tape.
kind of like a turtle shell almost.
It almost does, like a Ninja Turtle. Think.
Yeah. Then we have
And then there's a little chick.
Chica. Chica the chicken, or duck, nobody knows. A little pocket here with a lock, and then another piece of TNT with cards on the back.
What's that pocket made out of? It's different, ain't it?
Yeah, that one's a different material than the other one. This one kind of like has a weird effect right there.
And there's a little skeleton guy. Oh, and you got some red paper.
Then more pickaxes from one of the games. They look like axes. The other half of the Switch from earlier in the book. More Pac-Man ghosts. And then a snowman.
And then another little coloring page.
Oh, and then also Bonnie from
Yeah.
Friends Freddy's. Some Minecraft. And then a bee.
For your name. So that's neat.
And then also free hugs. Don't
Free
give him a
hugs.
hug.
Oh.
You'll die.
Is that all of them? Oh, and then there's some sticky notes back here he can use. He loves sticky notes because today I was cleaning up the office and I found lots of sticky notes all over my desk. Oh, and
I just love leaving them in random spots for people to find and be like, what the heck is this?
so then we have the back to the back, and I didn't point out before, but like the cover is sewn on. I think she hand sewed this on. Looks like she punched holes in the actual paper, and then she just wrapped the stitch around the edges, and that's really neat.
I just realized, I think we missed a pocket.
Okay, what did we miss?
I think did we get this pocket? Yeah, we forgot the five of hearts.
The 5 of hearts.
That's where
There's
the-
so many pockets in this, but
Yeah, on the back
there is.
is-
Oh, and it's that.
It's like fleeced,
Yeah.
like flocked. That's the
And red's your favorite color. So I'm sure that was on purpose. So yes, that is a chunky, fun little journal, and I thought it might give you all some inspiration if you're trying to figure out how to make a journal for a young boy or anyone. Like if you're thinking about making a journal for somebody and you really don't know, kind of pick out some of the things that they like. You know, even with little girls, you can find stickers that they like, or young guys. And so I'm sure this was a challenge for her because I don't think that I could have come up with all the stuff that she did. She made it a lot of fun. And so it's inspiring to me, and I will be flipping through it even more and having to see if I can come up with something, some of these pockets and different things that she did. And you can even if you don't have a little boy or a grandson or anyone that you want to make something like this for, the pockets and the interaction in here is good ways to add to any junk journal. You could just change it and put flowers or birds.
Also, another detail I just happened to remember was, I think it was this one? Is it? No, it's not it. Where is it? One of those. Let me see if I can find it. There it is. Okay. So the little Game Boy, actually, I noticed had Pac-Man glitter, which is
Yeah, hold it up there so you can see.
something I thought was really cool. It's Pac-Man glitter. We have the Pac-Man some ghosts.
She had to go searching to find all these things and then she also found glitter that was like game controllers and stuff. So
That one's like right
so
here.
yeah, she found all kinds of
See,
things.
on
This was really
one,
neat.
It's like controllers and stuff.
So yeah. So I hope that you have enjoyed this flip through of this journal.
No.
And I hope that it gives you some inspiration as well. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.